bird? What is that bird doing? Oh, what is that bird doing? Yeah, it's a bird. Andy trying to get your tail. Oh, honey. Is that your mouse? Do you have your mouse? Oh, see, I can't get out to get the birds. I'm going to get my mouse now. You're a good boy, Theo. You're a good boy. You really like those birds, don't you? Those are better than the TV birds, aren't they? The litter box is clean. Nobody's used it. It's clean litter. I should probably stress that taking this video in case anybody watches it. We're just waiting for our room to air out after it got fogged to kill all the ringworm in the room. So clean litter in the litter box and toys, and we're not used to being kenneled, so we were trying to make it as comfortable as possible. And there's Theo trying to get out so he can get the bird. Because he's Theo. Hi, Theo. He's so cute. And then two of them are in there. Zeus and Hercules are kind of hiding and sleeping. Oh, Hayden.
Yep.
That duck you put into the side of the cage is genius. Theo loves it.
What?
The toy duck.
Yeah.
Yeah, Theo loves it. He was playing with it. It was so cute. Yeah, that was genius of you.
You have two tuxes laying down next to you. Oh, three.
Aw, everybody's sleeping. Our tuxies in the catio. I don't know if I can get them on camera. Wow, it's zoomed. There we go. And I think that's Azzy. Hi, Azzy. Yeah, it's really hard to get her in there. Azzy. The three tuxies in our catio. And then Theo, who is now trying to figure out a way out of jail so he can get the birds. He is over being kenneled. And little Andy, the only girl in that little bunch of 4 kittens. And she was very scared earlier, but she's kind of starting to settle down. And I saw her playing with Theo's tail.